I've been so alone ever since I left the tribe. That's just how it goes, guess I like the lonely.
What's going on, guys? We're back for another video. It's been like 6 months. I've got a lot of news. I sold everything and started over, as you can see from the start of this video. So we got a lot to fill you in on. Alright, so with today's vlog, we're gonna head out here and go wash the new truck and give you the reveal. I hope this works out. This camera setup is probably not going to work, but we're gonna roll with it. It'll be quick. So yeah, I bought a Cummins. The Duramax, the SRT4, they're gone. And I have more surprises coming. Well, as you can see, this is a different setting. We can scratch that thought of washing the truck. It's my fault. I went there the last clip you just saw, I went there, I washed my truck, set up the camera and everything, didn't hit record, finished washing the truck, realized I didn't hit record, have no video of it, was already late to family dinner, so we're just gonna X that day out of it. So we're gonna start over. It is now like 2 weeks later. No joke. Time goes by too fast. But we're in this setting now. We're back in my garage. And it is like 12 o'clock at night, and as everybody's probably going through this as well, we're in quarantine, good old coronavirus, and I just finished up a tire rotation, and you know, that's that. Do a little shakedown fluid check on the truck, as you guys can see. So if you have not known yet, this is my new truck, 2015 2500 6.7 Cummins. It is a tradesman, but it's been color matched with the bumper and the grill. Fog lights have been added. It's deleted and tuned. We'll get to that in a minute. A little more in depth on that in a minute. But Duramax is gone. SRT4 is gone. We're going to start a new chapter going forward. And I'm recording this on a Saturday night. Well, technically it's Sunday now, but Monday morning we have a little surprise coming, which will make this more understandable on why I moved up to a newer, more reliable truck, being able to tow more. Obviously with me working so much as well, I wasn't really hitting the car scene too much, and honestly, I just grew out of the knee. I was ready to move on. I had a really good offer and to a good buddy of mine who's going to take care of the car, and I know he's going to take care of it. And I had to make the decision to move on. So, kind of same thing with the Duramax. I love that truck. Just too many miles, too old, and I needed to move forward and get into something newer, more reliable. Quite frankly, I work on everybody's cars at work. I got sick of working on stuff at home. Mods are different. But maintenance stuff, like just, oh, of course. There we go. But yeah. So this is her. She needs nothing, literally nothing. Well, actually, well, maybe not. This corner may need a wheel bearing. We'll see. But otherwise, this thing is insanely clean. Came from Missouri. I will do a whole walk around video on that, but this is more of a live update because I need to get something out to you guys. And while we're here in quarantine, I'm going to start producing some videos because I got time on my hands. I am still working through this, which I'm blessed for that. And everybody, some people are not as fortunate. They get laid off. Things are going downhill. Fortunately enough, I am still working through this. They just did cut our hours and things of that, but I will still be bringing content to you guys, and I need to stick to that, and we're going to try our best here. But I got some videos already planned with the Cummins, and also I'm going to bring you guys along for Monday morning so you can see that. But yeah, I'm going to wrap up with tonight of a couple shots of the truck, and I'm going to go to bed and get some sleep, and maybe we can record tomorrow. I'm going to end this video out with a quick little walk around, a little teaser. I got the fog lights on right now. I also got the rock lights. Realistically, side note, I've literally had this like 2.5 weeks. I've not done anything to the exterior except add the custom offset sticker, and I think that's literally it. Yeah, I fixed the fog light, other than the headlights, but literally exterior wise, other than fixing the headlights, fog light, re-aiming them, and putting the sticker on, I've done nothing, and that's because I've just physically have not had it long enough to do anything, nor does it need it. I am going to be repainting the emblems, though they're a little messed up, but 2015 2500 6.7 automatic 68 RFE, rocking 22 by 12 American Forces, 33 by 12 and a half Terra grapplers, not ridge grapplers, geez. It's got a leveling kit on it. So yeah, stock suspension minus the leveling kit, 22 by 12s, 33 by 12 and a halves. No spacers. These are just, that's the offset of the wheel. Got the rock lights. It is deleted. It is tuned. mbrp 5-inch exhaust with the special edition tip, 6-inch tip, but it is full 5-inch turbo back. It is, let me pop the hood for you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough light. It is a S&B. It's got an S&B intake. Here, let me grab a. No cuts. S&B intake, Sinister diesel delete, so just the block off plate and the plates there and there, so no cooler. Like I said, 5-inch straight pipe. Otherwise, it is stock. Firepunk tuning, Firepunk EFI Live with the auto cal. It also has a CTS2 monitor with the probe for the exhaust gas temperature. So here she is. I got the monitor up here. I got the 5-position switch right here. But really it's only 4 tunes from Firepunk. But otherwise, it is completely stock in here, except for what I just did last week, which is going to be a future video here very soon. I just installed 2 Skar Audio 10-inch subs and an amp. So I'm going to be doing a video on that here very soon. Trailering package, I do have the gooseneck turnover and the 5th wheel mounts. What else? Let's see. It's LEDs and everything. LEDs in the license plate lights, you know, and the reverse lights. You know, I got my hitch in there. That is pretty much it. The tint, I know people are going to ask about the tint. You can't really tell right now, but maybe you can from if I go in from here. But it is double 5 on the front windows, layer 5 over the factory 20 in the back. So I mean, it is literally, it is pitch black all the way around. 35 on the whole windshield, and then a strip on top. So it is fully tinted out with all the windows shut and the lights off. You cannot see into it at all. Thing's super clean. Just rolled over 83,000 miles. So it is like brand new. It is pretty much the lowest mile car, well, truck obviously, but lowest mile and the newest vehicle that I have personally owned myself, and I'm very blessed at 20 years old to be able to afford something like this.